Astro, or I guess Kit here. So this is going to be my little announcement for another animated series I'm making. This is called Flight to the Stars. It's an Emoji Cat kind of object show-like animation series that might have voice acting, most likely. This is kind of just a little thing to hold people over for the upcoming Sightless Stars Warrior Cats voice series I'm making with my friend Vixenism. So while those episodes may take a lot longer to produce, these are short, fast, and probably going to be funny themed little shorts about my Emoji Cat OCs. I hope you're all looking forward to this as much as I am, and I can't wait for episode 1.